Hello and welcome to ePolish EU. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to make the most of your student account and explore all the options available for learning Polish with us. For those who enjoy studying on their own and want to learn at their own pace, we offer a range of resources and tools designed to support independent learning. Do you already own any of our publications? Every book comes with an access code that unlocks the access to the materials for this particular book on our platform. Typically, the code grants access to the book's audio files and a course book. The only exception is the Czytaj Krok po Kroku series, which only unlocks the audio files. You can also purchase any course book in our store. Our e-course books are fully interactive digital textbooks, presenting the material in a more engaging form than a traditional book. The exercises are interactive and offer real-time feedback, allowing you to check your answers or get help when you're stuck. They include audio files with transcripts.
Babciu, czy w twoim domu rodzinnym była zmywarka?
Kiedy byłam dzieckiem? Nie, absolutnie.
Translations of instructions, and a multimedia dictionary that can be accessed by clicking on words within the exercises.
Kuchenka.
For those seeking more comprehensive self-study options, we offer eCoursebooks Plus, which are specially designed with complete self-study in mind. They expand on our standard eCoursebooks, offering significantly more content tailored for independent learning. With these enhanced editions, you gain access to twice as much material thanks to supplementary exercises. You also receive grammar comments explaining the grammar points introduced in each lesson more in depth. And smart flashcards, an effective tool for vocabulary revision.
Płatki śniadaniowe. Żaba. Okolica.
Karta.
Additionally, we offer a variety of smaller study aids to help you in your learning journey. This includes a multimedia dictionary to look up any Polish word, view its translation into your chosen language, pronunciation,
Napisać.
and even conjugation or declension.
Napisałybyśmy.
If you need, download the dictionary entry as a PDF. If you have access to the smart flashcard, you can also manually add words from the dictionary to your revisions. In the thematic dictionary, you will find public sets of vocabulary, which you can print out and study on the go. The collection of public flashcards will help you practice particular vocabulary topics.
Złota rączka.
Do góry nogami.
ePolish EU isn't just a place to find self-study tools. It is a robust e-learning platform that supports working with a teacher as well. Your teacher can invite you to join the platform, where you can work individually or in a group with your classmates. Always stay in touch with everyone thanks to our forum. Your teacher can easily share interactive learning materials with you, from single exercises to tests, and even flashcard sets for vocabulary revision. On ePolish EU, you can also participate in live online classes allowing you to interact with your teacher and groupmates in real time. They will take place in the virtual classroom, a user-friendly space designed to enhance your learning experience. During each lesson, both the teacher and the students will have access to a shared screen or board. Here, your teacher can display interactive materials like exercises, interactive textbook pages, videos, and games. You can communicate through audio, video, and chat. Later, you can access the lesson presentation again in your lesson archive to review what you've learned at your own pace whenever you need. If you don't have your own teacher yet, you can explore our extensive teacher base. Find and connect with teachers who are currently offering online classes. Everyone has unique preferences and learning styles, so take your time to browse through their profiles, teaching methods, and qualifications, and select the right teacher for you. If you have any questions or need any additional help, please refer to our other videos, email us at help@e-polish.eu, or use the contact form on our website. Thank you for choosing ePolish and happy learning!